In Sweden, it was officially adopted the new weapon on December 16, 1907, as the name Pistol M/07. The first 10,000 parts were purchased by FN and delivered to the factory by Carl Gustaf's Stads in Eskilstuna, where were inspected and finally stamped with the Swedish crown and the inspector's initials. Thanks to these punches, it is possible to immediately distinguish the FN destined for the Swedish Army from all the others that do not have them. The origin story on these handguns dates back to the early 1900s, as they were being produced by Fabrique Nationale under the designation of Model 1903. FN had been licensed to produce Browning's .32 caliber pocket hammerless for the European market, while Colt had the US rights, hence why this pistol looks like an oversized Colt M1903. Several countries reportedly wanted a larger service pistol on the same FN design that could accommodate the 9x20mm Browning long cartridge, so FN lengthened the barrel to 5 inches and added a slide stop on the right side of the frame. Sweden adopted the pistol as their military sidearm in 1907 and imported them from FN under the designation of Model 1907. FN then produced these pistols for Sweden until Germany captured their factory in 1914, and later Sweden procured licenses to produce them at the Husqvarna factory in 1917. This production continued until 1940, when the Lottie took over as preferred sidearm. Tucked away by the Swedish military, these pistols eventually hit the export market and many ended up in the USA. They were then rechambered to .380 auto. It occurs that pistols also are marked with the ID of the military unit. These markings start with I for infantry regiment, A for artillery regiment, K for cavalry regiment, T for service regiment, and KFL for Royal Navy. The pistols from the Navy sometimes are found with 3-arm mark called catfoot. If you find a pistol with I-15, it indicates that the pistol has belonged to a specific regiment, I-15, for infantry regiment number 15. The pistols were also used by other Army personnel like medics and signalers. 94,731 were made, 88,586 for the military, 6,145 for commercial sale.